Hello students, we are doing unit 12, that is percentage, and we are doing worksheet number 3, and in this worksheet we have done the 3 questions in which we have to convert the fractions into percentage and whole number into percentage and decimals into percentages. And we have already learned that how to convert into percentage just by multiplying by 100 and write the percentage sign. So this we have already learned, and in question number 4 we have to choose the correct number. So here the percentage is given 5% and we have to convert it into decimals. So to remove the percentage sign, what we have to do, we have to write upon 100 in place of percentage. So 5 upon 100, so that means 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. So in the same way, we have to remove the percentage sign in this question. Now today we will discuss the word problems of question number 5. So here is the first A part. Rima scored 40 marks out of 50 in her mathematics test. So in mathematics test, Rima scored 40 marks out of 50. So we have to find the percentage of marks scored by her. So how can we find the percentage of marks scored by her? So let us do it. Worksheet number 3, question number 5 and solution number 8. So here what is given? Rima scored 40 marks out of 50. So total marks that is 50, and marks obtained is 40. That means total 50 marks का मैथमेटिक्स टेस्ट था और उसमें से रीमा के आए 40 मार्क्स. सो हाउ कैन वी राइट? आपने देखा ही होगा कि जब आपको मार्क्स मिलते हैं एग्जाम में तो कैसे मिलते हैं. टोटल मार्क्स आर रिटन इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड द मार्क्स यू ऑब्टेन्ड इज रिटन एट द न्यूमरेटर. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि जब आपको फ्रैक्शन लिखना है तो नीचे आपके टोटल आता है. सो हेयर वी विल राइट इट इन fraction. So marks obtained, how can we write? So score is 40 out of 50, right? Now we have to find its percentage. So to find its percentage, how can we find it? By multiplying it by 100 and write down the percent. So that we have learned कि जब हम परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, so what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 100 and write the percentage sign. So solve it. So what I have told you, cut the zeros first, either this or यहाँ भी कट कर सकते थे. And now we know that 100 comes in the table of 5, so it will also cut. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10, 0, 20. Now multiply the numerators. So it is 24 is 80%, right? So here the percentage of marks scored. So Rima scored 80% marks. So Rima scored 80% marks. The next question is, in a packet of 25 toffees, 3 toffees are mango bite. So a packet is there and there are total number of toffees are 25 and 3 toffees are mango bite. टोटल 25 टॉफीज में से 3 टॉफीज कौन सी है? मैंगो बाइट. व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ मैंगो बाइट टॉफीज? नाउ अगेन we have to find out the percentage of mango bite toffees. So first of all, write down what is given. What is given? Total number of toffees. Total number of toffees, that is 25, and number of mango bites. Number of mango bites. So how many mango bites are there? 3. What we have to find out? Percentage of mango bites. Percentage of mango bites. Here also we will write percentage of score. Percentage of marks scored. Percentage of score. So percentage of mango bites is, so first of all write it in fraction. So you know how to write in fraction. Denominator में हमारे पास क्या आता है? टोटल नंबर्स ऑफ पार्ट्स, और यहाँ पर आपका 3. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि जो आपका डिनोमिनेटर है वहां पर आपने क्या लिखना है? टोटल. जो भी आपके टोटल है वो आपने नीचे ही लिखना है, और जिसकी परसेंटेज निकालनी है वो आपने न्यूमरेटर में लिखना है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द परसेंटेज ऑफ मैंगो बाइट्स. सो 3/25 फ्रैक्शन, एंड यू नो हाउ टू राइट कन्वर्ट इन percentage. Just multiply it by 100 and percent, right? And percent. Solve it. Again, you know, 25 and 100 will get cut. 25 के टेबल में 100 आता है. 25 4s are 100. So 25 1s are 25. 25 4s are 100. Now multiply the numerators. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 12%. So what is the percentage of mango bite toffees? So there are 12% of mango bite toffees. So the percentage of mango bite toffee is 12%, or you can write there are 12% mango bite toffees. There are 12% mango bite toffees. Next one. In the month of April, a school worked for only 24 days. School worked for only 24 days. What is the percentage of working days? So in this question, the total number of days are given or not? Yes, it is given indirectly. How? Because we know that in the question is in the month of April. So you know that how many days are there in the month of April? That is 30. So आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज आपको अप्रैल मंथ में पता है 30 होते हैं, एंड स्कूल वर्कड फॉर ओनली 24 डेज. सो 30 टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज हैं, उसमें से वर्किंग डेज कितने हैं? 24 डेज. एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द परसेंटेज ऑफ वर्किंग डेज. परसेंटेज किसकी निकालनी है? वर्किंग डेज की. सो लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सी पार्ट. So total number of days in the month of April. Number of days in April, month of April. So that is 30. And number of working days, or you can say school worked, that is 24. So we have to find out the percentage of working days. Working days की परसेंटेज निकालनी है. So first of all write down in fraction. So हम fraction में कैसे लिखेंगे? Number of working days upon total number of days. Total हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? Denominator में. And जिसकी percentage निकालना है that is working days. Working days कितने हैं? 24. And you know, to find the percentage we have to multiply it by 100 and percent sign. And in previous video we have already discussed that ये कैसे ये 100% आता है वो हम पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Now solve it. First of all we will cut the zeros. 1 0 1 0 कट हो गए. Now anything else जो सेम टेबल में आते हैं सेम नंबर के. तो yes 3 and 24. So 3 के टेबल में 24 आता है. 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. Now multiply the numerators. 10 8s are 80%. Because denominator में 1 है तो there is no need to write 1. So 80%. So the percentage of working days is 80%. Next is the last one, D part. In an orchard there are 250 trees. How many trees are there? 250 trees. And 175 of them are apple trees. So total number of trees 250 थे. उनमें से 175 trees किसके हैं? Apple के. Apple trees. Find the percentage of apple trees. So percentage किसके निकालनी है? Apple trees की. जिसकी percentage निकालनी है वो हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? Numerator में and denominator में total number. Right? So first of all write down what is given. Solution number D. Total number of trees. Total number of trees is 250. And then number of apple trees. Apple trees, that is 175. Now the percentage of apple trees. Apple trees. Percentage को मैं short में लिख रहा हूँ sign से. Percentage of apple trees. So you know what we have to do. First of all write in fractions. जिसकी percentage निकालनी है वो हम ऊपर लिखेंगे numerator में. And total number हम कहाँ लिखते हैं always in the denominator. Now to find the percentage we have to multiply by 100 and percent. Solve it. So हमें क्या करना है? First of all 0 से 0 cut, right? Anything else जो cut होता है? Yes. 25 and 10 comes in the table of 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. Anything else? Again 175 and 5. So लास्ट में 5 है तो दैट मीन्स इट विल कम इन द टेबल ऑफ 5 और यहाँ पर 5 ही है. सो 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now multiply the numerators. 35 and 2. 35 2s are 70 और denominator में 1. So 70% is the answer. So there are 70% of apple trees. So 70% of apple trees are there in the orchard. So in this way we can find out the percentage. So first of all we have to write in fractions. और ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि आपका डिनोमिनेटर में टोटल नंबर्स आएंगे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स और टोटल जो भी चीज गिवन है उसका टोटल, और जिसकी परसेंटेज निकालनी है दैट वी हैव टू राइट इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड देन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. So in next video we will find the percentage of a number. Thank you.